Hey, what's up guys? This is Cole with CJC Off-Road, and today we're here to talk tires. It's been a few years since we've done one of these videos. We have more options than ever on the market, and with the explosion of popularity of these rugged terrain or RT style tires, we wanted to kind of go over some of the most popular options on the market. You'll notice looking at these tires, essentially all of our shop trucks are on one or another of these tires. And there's a good reason for that. With these hybrid terrain tires, you get the looks of a mud terrain style tire with the on-road driving characteristics of an all-terrain tire. So for most of our intended usage outside of cold weather or snow or things like that, these hybrid terrain tires really do check all of the boxes. For the sake of today's comparison, we will be comparing the Nitto Ridge Grappler, the Toyo RT, the Toyo RT Trail, the Toyo RT Pro, and the Falcon Wildpeak RT01. Most of these tires offer similar aggressiveness in terms of looks, but there are actually quite a few differences between them once we break this down. So with this in mind, and being that these are the 5 most popular current tire options in this category on the market, we're going to jump right in and kind of go over what we feel are the pros and cons for the different usages and basically help you guys determine what may be the best tire option for your particular build. Now you may notice looking at this selection, there are 3 Toyo RT options in this lineup. And that's for good reason. So Toyo, about 10 years ago, really was first to the market with this style of tire segment, and they started with the Toyo RT. Now, for the sake of research, if you're looking at these tires for your truck, I would say the RT, being that it is a 10-year-old design, it does have a lot of compromises in this category, so I would immediately actually disqualify this tire if you're looking. We're assuming this tire will be soon discontinued and is more of a legacy design at this point. And it has been superseded by the Toyo RT Trail and the Toyo RT Pro. Now, Toyo RT Trail and Toyo RT Pro may look very similar at first glance, but the RT Trail really is the one that is designed more around on-road usage with less compromises in terms of noise, in terms of wet traction, things like that. The Toyo RT Pro is designed with more dirt usage in mind. It's a heavier duty carcass. It does come with more trade-offs. It's going to be a little bit louder. But with that in mind, it's going to offer better off-road performance and longevity. Between these 2 tire options, most of us, I would say, will opt for the Toyo RT Trail for street usage. Again, it's a quieter tire. You'll notice the contact patch is actually closer together. It comes with less trade-offs in terms of street usage and noise and things like that we look for when driving these trucks primarily on the highway. The Toyo RT Pro, again, with the tire and off-road performance, is actually based off of the Toyo MT, believe it or not. With a bit more of a toned down design to make it more on-road friendly. Both tires are great options. I don't think you can go wrong with either of these Toyo options. But again, the RT Trail for street usage, which is how most of us are using these trucks, really will check more boxes. Now, if you're interested in more of wet weather or snow performance, the Toyo RT Trail between these 2 options is going to offer the better performance. That is due to these tires having more aggressive siping on them, as well as a closer contact patch between the lugs. The RT Pro is going to compromise a bit more in terms of wet weather or snow usage, with the caveat that it will be a more durable performer off-road. So it's really cool. Toyo actually has 2 different options in this segment now. That is a first for this market. And both these tires in early usage are getting a ton of positive feedback from customers. Now, the stalemate in this category is going to be the Nitto Ridge Grappler. That is kind of in between. That tire is about 6-7 years old now. Came out following the Toyo RT Pro, and this tire kind of changed the game for this category. You'll notice most of our trucks to this day are still running Nitto Ridge Grappler tires, and that's for good reason. Nitto Ridge Grapplers really do work great for on-road driving. You'll notice they offer very aggressive siping for snow and wet traction. They offer a very close contact patch, so you really don't compromise much in terms of on-road usage. While they still work decently well off-road as well. These tires offer a very aggressive overall look that I'd say matches most of the builds we go for on this channel. And as a result, that's why you'll notice these Nitto Ridge Grapplers are on so many of these builds we turn out here at CJC Off-Road. Now, the only downsides I would say in the Nitto Ridge Grappler, one being snow traction is not as good as it is with the Toyo RT Trail. Keep in mind, if snow traction really is your main priority for a tire, if you'll be frequently driving in the snow, you may want to look into all-terrain tires in a different genre entirely, which we'll be highlighting in a video coming very soon. But the Toyo RT Trail will outperform the Nitto Ridge Grappler in snowy conditions. Another consideration is the Nitto Ridge Grappler is not quite as durable off-road as a Toyo RT Pro. So if pure off-road usage is your goal, I'd be looking at the RT Pro. Another newer recent addition to this overall market is going to be the Falcon Wildpeak RT01. That tire is one of the thickest sidewall tires of all of these options here, meaning it is going to be one of the most durable, but actually one of the stiffest tires as well. Not necessarily a bad thing for a truck with a camper setup or something along those lines, and that's why Cody here at CJC Off-Road actually runs these tires on his camper build. These tires on his truck have over 20,000 miles, still look fantastic, and they haven't skipped a beat in terms of heavy-duty usage. These tires also offer very aggressive siping, making them reasonable candidates in wet conditions. You'll notice the contact or the lugs do have a bit more separation in them compared to, say, an RT Trail or a Ridge Grappler. So you will compromise very slightly there. But as an overall great option, the Falcon RT01 Wildpeak tires have actually proven to receive quite a bit of positive feedback on customer builds as well. One thing I want to note after having put considerable seat time on all these tires, this Falcon RT01 does tend to be the loudest of these 5 tire options. I wouldn't say it's on par with a mud terrain tire, nothing crazy like that, but if we're comparing all of these and in-cab noise as a consideration, that is actually going to be the loudest, followed by the RT Pro. The quietest options are going to be the RT Trail and the Ridge Grappler, with the nod for quietest overall likely going to the RT Trail. Again, none of this is something that would make or break these tires in my mind, because we're talking minor nuances here. These are all great options for street-driven trucks. But I figured, if we're comparing all the different qualities and what we notice from driving these, there are differences in terms of volume between these tires. Looks on all these tires can be subjective, right? So you may look at this and say, hey, that's my favorite tire, that's my least favorite tire. So for the sake of this video, we really wanted to try to give an objective comparison between these different tires and their usage and how it would apply for what we're doing with these trucks. Now, we hope you guys enjoyed following along. We realize tires are not a cheap investment for these builds, and so we want to help you guys be as informed as possible with some feedback that we've kind of gathered over the years driving with these tires on our own personal trucks. So hopefully you guys found this useful. If you guys have any questions, by all means, do not hesitate to reach out, and thank you so much for watching.